Hey everybody, what's up? We have a delivery and it's a big delivery, physically. Look at it, it's huge. Anyway, let's get into it. So there's absolutely no indication on the box to what it is. You might have cheated and read the title, you know, you don't win any prizes. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody's dealing with what's going on at the moment in the best way they can. So we have OnePlus, you can see that right, 8T, boom. So some of you may have noticed a lot of my videos were filmed on a OnePlus 7T. I had that phone 7, 8, about 9 months all in all. Used it as my daily phone for a very long time. For somebody that does these kind of videos, I think that is a very long time to have a phone for. It's a phone that I loved, got on with really well, took great pictures. I was really happy with it. So let's crack on with this unboxing and we'll see if this is going to replace the 7T. That didn't go very smoothly. Obviously I'm not the first person to do this, there's many before me, but what the heck. These are always really tight, they don't want to come out. There it is. So, got the little sleeve, got the phone, which I'll pop to one side. You've got a little tray, holds the phone, gel case, never settle, pretty funky, classic red charger, USB-C to USB-C. Boom. Oh wow, that's a beast of a brick, which I'm not surprised about being 65 watt. Absolute monster of a charger. Really, really big. It's heavy as well. And that's it. So that's it for the box. In here we have some stickers, safety information, got a bit of that, an invitation letter. What's the invitation for? Invitation letter. It's their usual, join our community. So basically they're inviting you to join the community. You've got the SIM ejector tool just there, quick start guide. Let's bang all that away and we will move on to the phone. So with this phone, they were giving away free gifts. Chance to win a free gift. I won a free gift. And I won the Sandstone Black bumper case, which is official OnePlus, which is pretty funky. Let's just get into this and show you what we've got. So I'm hoping, it feels similar to the OnePlus One case back. Now that one was actually sandstone. I don't know whether this is actually sandstone. Doesn't feel like it. It's textured, but it doesn't feel like the real McCoy. I might be wrong, maybe it is. What does it say on here? Protect your phone from drops and knocks with a shock absorbent case that helps keep your phone at its best. Premium protection, unique design, durable fit. Sandstone black, blah blah blah. Doesn't say it's real sandstone. The OnePlus One was real sandstone. So, let's move on to the phone. So, as you can see, it's light. There she is. Now, officially, they are calling this colour Lunar Silver. Silver to me, Lunar Silver to OnePlus. Maybe to you as well. Now, it's really nice. It's frosted, glass back, I believe. You've got the square cutout for the cameras. On the side, you've got the silent and ring. Volume button on the left hand side, The bottom, USB-C, SIM phone tray, speaker, down firing, power button below the silent button. Let's just turn it on. So what we're working with, we've got a pre-installed screen protector, which is nice, always handy to have. And I think I will move that to one side for the video. So I will set this up and I'll be back. So the phone is set up. I am just going to bang in the fingerprint just to set it up. Now already I have to say the haptic feedback on this is beautiful. They're calling it haptic feedback 2.0, I believe, or haptic 2.0. I think that for me, usually I'm not a fan of haptics. I don't like the way they feel. I just generally don't like the haptic experience, and I almost always turn it off. In fact, I do always turn it off. I never leave it on. But I think this could be a phone potentially that I could live with the haptics on. Now already that screen is gorgeous, really, really nice. I just wanted to run you through a few of the specs. So we've got 6.5 inch screen, corner to corner. You've got the 120 Hz AMOLED display. You've got the Gorilla Glass corner to corner. It's got reading mode, night mode, vibrant colours, woo. You've got Android 11, which has the Oxygen OS skin on top. Qualcomm 865, which is obviously a really new chip. You've got the battery, which is 4,500 mAh. So what they've actually done is they've put two batteries in, which are 2,250. So that speeds up the charging process. So rather than charge one battery from half full to full, you charge two separate batteries, which actually charges quicker, which is obviously something that is good. You've got the Sony Sensor, which has been a very good sensor and is used on the Nord, it's used on the 7, the 70, the 8, the 8 Pro. I think it might have even gone back onto the 6 as well. A lot of phones are using that sensor. It's a very good sensor, it takes very good pictures. It's got 4K video, it's got everything you want really. And I mean, for £549, pretty good. So as I said, hopefully this will be the phone I'm going to be using for a long time now. We've got an update already on the phone, so checking for updates. So it's Oxygen OS 11.01.2. So you've got system update, camera update, nightscape mode for video, optimized white balance, improved new app stability. Generally, when you buy a new phone, you're going to get a couple of updates when it first comes out of the box. And for the first few weeks you might get a few updates as well, because they're fine-tuning things still, and they want the user experience to be good. So let's have a quick look at the camera as ever. Let's see what we're working with. Selfie. Oh, my hair. So I mean, that to me looks pretty good. It's got my colorations right. That's what I look like in real life as far as I'm concerned. It's picked up the colours on my t-shirt, it's picked up the red on the Levi logo. It's picked up that I'm tired, because you can tell I've got a bag under my eyes. Let's have a look at the front facing camera, and for that we are going to chuck a few pens on the table. You've also got the wide angle, obviously, as well, and you've got the 2x zoom preset on the screen. The camera's got a 10x zoom in total. There is the pens. You may be able to see the pens. So I will have a really good play with this phone. I will have a mess around, take some pictures, take some videos, and I will do another little review of that so you can check it out. I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it, battery life, etc. And yeah, if you want to check out the phone, link will be below as ever. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me, you know, like this video, ask me some questions, whatever. Appreciate it. Love making the video, so keep an eye out for the next one. Thank you very much, and cheers. Bye bye.